Assalamu alaikum everyone. I just want to share with you something very quickly. आपने मुझसे बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरी transfer technologies की story सुनी है. How I was once invited as a guest speaker in Karachi University and वहाँ पे जो कुछ हुआ था, the transfer of technology. And those of you who know that story would remember. And actually I was like going through some old books, and from one of my books I found the very first flyer that I created. That's about 28 years ago. So this is that old flyer. And ये जो flyer है, इसके ऊपर मेरा पुराना लोगो और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज का जो ऑफिस था मेरा उस वक्त का एड्रेस, और वहाँ पे जो फोन, इनफैक्ट उस वक्त मेरे पास अपने फोन्स नहीं थे. देयर वाज अनदर ऑफिस जिस जहाँ पे मैं काम ये बैठ रहा था. तो ये वहाँ के नंबर्स थे विच आई वाज यूजिंग. तो ये जो फ्लायर है, this was like a door, and unlock the door of your unlimited potential within, and it's like you open this and it opens the doors of opportunity. So it had a lot of text, by the way. Not a very good idea. I was talking to but so what is hypnosis, what is NLP, how transformation technologies work, and what you can use these things, and like how you can enroll. It's like my free in sessions uske andar mein us zamane mein de raha tha. So all of this thing, it was there. So I just found it, and I know it may not have any value for you, but I just still wanted to share this with Pearl, and इस video के through I just wanted to preserve this flyer in a way. So thank you very much for watching, and inshallah जिंदगी रही तो आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू.